Welcome to another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to recover the Google Play Store on your Android device. We all know how important the Play Store is for downloading apps, games, and keeping everything updated. So if it goes missing or stops working, it can be frustrating. First, open your phone's settings. Now scroll down until you see the section called Apps or App Management. It might be named slightly differently depending on your phone. Tap on that. Now you'll see a list of apps that are currently running or installed on your device. At the top corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them and select Show System Apps or Show All Apps. This will display hidden system apps too, including the Play Store. Next, scroll through the list or just use the search bar to type in Play Store Stan. It should appear in the results, sometimes with a red or regular Google Play icon. Tap on it. If the Play Store is disabled, you'll see an Enable button at the bottom. Just tap Enable, and that's it. Your Play Store is now back and working properly on your Android device. I hope this helped you out. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.